Ugoko ne kwa Kikuyu podcast kuria mwena wa Meru ne kwathie na mbere kunyitanite muno thutha wa Gachagua gukorwo blocked ne borithi cia Kindiki guthie thiini wa kanitha uria andu maritie hamwe na mundu gwitwo wakiri Ndegwa Njiru na hena mutumia wi hau maritie wakiri Ndegwa Njiru gatiriri PA wa Rigathi wa Gachagua ni akorwo abducted na gutiramenyekana kuria atwaro ni borithi oguo niguo Ndegwa Njiru arauga makri matiriri they were invited in this church no borithi mama block makori atiriri why were they blocked ithe matie na right ya guthie kanitha area mekwenda niki ko deploy borithi magana na magana thiini wa kanitha ucio toguo tu they claim that kwina goons ciko organizetwo na ti goons nini ni goons nyingi muno ciako block kugereria mundu wetwo Rigathi wa Gachagua na team ya United Opposition goons ciko hetwo nyingi muno na still borithi aingi muno. The big question is what are they fearing? Rigathi wa Gachagua nda thirikari-ini kanzo nda thirikari-ini niki goons ciko rehwo borithi magana na magana me hau niki what are they fearing? Ndegwa Njiru gatiriri so far pio cio Gachagua marauga ni kwabdaktwo tondu anyitirwo matiramenya kuria twarirwo gutire reason ya kumunyita anyitirwo ro uguo na thio ro uguo kende mwikire video no kindly subscribe thiini wa channel ino ya Kikuyu podcast ina tuke to discuss niki Meru kurathio ino video ladies and gentlemen.
That's not our church. The Methodist Church is the church of order and methods.
And just tell them that they are not just barring people from accessing. They are even arresting people or abducting people. Even as we speak, the personal assistant to His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua has been abducted by the police. Yes. That is an abduction because even the reason of arrest is not known to us. We don't know where he has been taken. So we just basically going to look for him. When did going to church become a crime in this country? When did it become a crime? When did the right to the freedom of worship become a crime in this country? Who has found who? As we slept here in Meru, waiting to attend the Methodist church this morning, they have flown their helicopters. They have brought over 500 or 600 police officers. Even just near our hotel, we are all surrounded by the police. What the hell about this?
This is my card. I was invited by Bishop David Mudoya.
Let us see.
Yes, this is a card. And that is our WhatsApp group. And you can see I'm confirming attendance. And he's telling me, thank you, my sister. You're welcome.
Guys, oguo niguo guikarite kuri Meru ni mwego mutumia ucio akeria akauga wega pio ati ni arari na invitation card kana nengeretwo invitation card. Ndegwa Njiru na mwigwa akeria thiini wa video na Ndegwa Njiru arauga atiriri P ucio wa Rigathi wa Gachagua niko abductedwo tondu anyitirwo matiamenya kuria twarirwo na gutire na reason ya kumunyita yatiriri eke kurathi atia. Hello deda soya of course ni kumana political tension agiko igongona riri opposition na thirikari meguthia hamwe Kindiki na Gachagua thiini wa igongona tariri guthia hamwe it's a mess tondu uyu mwena uyu na mwena uyu ungi and in politics no ngina mathima na hinya no niki Rigathi wa Gachagua marekwo maundu maya kuria mwena wa Meru na bemwe hena video ndamwikira hau kenda na video no ndamwire demands deadly demands iria Kithure Kindiki ahetwo ni Ruto agikonduri ora watch video the watch one of the demand area Kindiki ahetwo ni Ruto ni kugania Mount Kenya and make sure Mount Kenya East emwena wa Ruto and that's where the problem is. Remember then wa Mount Kenya East kuria mwena Mount Kenya East ena Embu, Meru na Tharaka. Waingira kweko ni Embu Embu ni aresistire ndaingirite mwena wa Ruto. So Ruto is left with these two counties, that is Tharaka Nithi na kundu gwitwo Meru. Nienda muno kura cia Meru, na ungirora thiini wa county ici ithatu cia Mount Kenya East, Meru nio ina registered voters aria aingi muno. Mwaka wa 2022 registered voters aria mari mwena wa Meru ni 772 registered voters thiini wa Meru. And that's why Meru is very important thiini wa ikabu ria Kasongo. Ungirora gwa Kindiki, Tharaka Nithi registered voters 231. Ungirora Embu registered voter 334. Embu is gone. Tharaka Nithi Kindiki arauga ni arokete. So they are fighting for Meru. Mwaka wa 22 mari 700 makidu registered voters. So tukaingira thiini wa mwaka wa 27 thiini wa miaka 5 ni kuthire registered voters thiini wa Meru County ni mego surpass 1 million. Kwina uhotekeku munene muno, na icio ni kura iria Ruto arenda, especially kuma thiini wa Mount Kenya region. So with that's why they deployed Kithure Kindiki athie kuria mwena wa Meru igetha agerie gucenjia ground ya kuri Meru. That's why urona ona thaici they're using even police officers, they're using guns na borithi meku igetha monekana ni mekuin kuria mwena wa Meru, because Meru ina higher registered number of voters. Na kironire Kindiki auma kou mundu gwitwo Rigathi wa Gachagua atonyire kuo, tondu Meru it's very very important thiini wa githurano kia mwaka wa 2027 with more than 700 registered voters. Na tukigira mwaka wa 2027 mwaka wa 2022 tukigira mwaka wa 27 kwina ote kumuna muno Meru igakona more than 1 million registered voters. So must fight onekane kona kura kuma kule mwena wa Meru. Tharaka Nithi kura 200,000 hiyo ni kidogo sana. So Kasongo is fighting for Kindiki Meru to say if ni kugarura ground no kule ground ogera on reception ile Rigathi wa Gachagua rahiro reception ya Gachagua irari iguru muno ukira reception ya Kindiki. So they are fighting for that block, because that block is very important in a registered voters aige vote cigakoshi nyingi. So ni team unit opposition no gina magikara magithia kuria Meru, because already Mount Kenya West has decided. Mount Kenya West has decided. The only one left is Mount Kenya East. Na ikia hau mudeto Ruto erita Kindiki make sure netora Mount Kenya East eikarie. Todogera Mount Kenya East kura 700 kwa 2022 me kuria Meru kura 700 Embu kura 300 Tharaka Nithi kura 200 total votes cia mwe kafa inike mwe 1.5 ratio nicio mundu eritwo Kindiki ona twaga icingi kuria thie make sure ni kuone tuona iyo ni ground ito ici kura 1.5 million ona kono 1 million votes tuone. And now guys, the ground is very hostile. Ni kwa hiyo hamuno reke twetere tuone ule wikara kuri kwa Kikuyu podcast. Maoni manyu ni mariko inywe murona atia ni guthi kumbenyithagia ule kwa thina mbere kule mwena wa Meru to ni kwa shika muno ni kwa thi kunyitanita muno. Thank you gama twini amame guys, it is what it is, kwani iko nini. Thank you, God bless you.